Hey guys, Nike Dude 18 here. How's it going? So in this video, I'm going to be doing some work on my car here. 96 Toyota 4Runner, 3.4 liter. Going to be changing the gasket on the driver's side of the engine. So the even number pistons, as some of you may say. I already changed the gasket over here last week. I'm going to go ahead and change it over here on this side. The engine seems to be making some cranking noise, so and also sounds like it may be a lifter, which is a problem. Haven't dug into this side of the engine yet to check it out. The other side, however, is perfectly fine. Cam lobes look intact, look beautiful, brand new. So let's go ahead and start working on it.
I did this way.
Top half plenum is off. Start taking the other one off now. Alright, both plenums are off. That's what it looks like now. So now, I take that off. Okay, I got the second half off. It took me only an hour to do, take off. This is what everything looks like in here. Cam lobes look good. No sign of damage to them. Alright guys, just got this back on, cleaned it off with some engine cleaner. It's pretty disgusting. It's about as clean as that one is. This car's been making some knocking sounds. Go ahead and start it up, that way you guys can hear what it sounds. But just to show you guys here. So on the intake it's 6 to 9, and on the exhaust it's 11. And on my number 4, which is this side of the engine, the lowest and tightest it'll fit in there is 11 inches. 11 millimeter inches. That's kind of pushing it. 9 won't fit. So, yeah. Alright, I got the bottom half of the top of the plenum, or intake exhaust header on, as you can see. Clean it off a little bit so it looks a little bit dirty. That's alright. That's a little dirt on there. Hang out your Steve. So it looks like now. Just have to put the top part on now. Alright. Got both top and middle together. Rock solid on there. Now we just gotta put this back on and connect all the hoses back together, and then put everything back together, which will probably take a total of, would you probably say 15 minutes? Yeah. I just got done putting it all back together. It's the first time I ever taken apart, almost took the top off the engine apart. Hoses back together, that's all together. These are all together. Let's connect the back.
Just turn on
That's the way it should be. I go ahead and turn it over. So this is what the sound of your valve knockings will sound like. Turn from over here. Went ahead and did a diagnostic and said that it's the exhaust valve on number 4 piston, 4 cylinder, and that's what's making your ticking sound. That's why you're hearing it so ever often. I think but it's only on that one. So if there's only 2 exhaust valves are making that noise. So guys, just want to say thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. And if you guys want to see me do some other stuff on my video, maybe like how doing an oil change the radiator, coolant, whatever, leave it in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, right, Steve? Yeah. So guys, just want to say thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. And If you guys want to see me do some other stuff on my video, maybe like how doing an oil change the radiator, coolant, whatever, leave it in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Right, Steve?